In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a disabled Facebook ads account in just 5 minutes. If you found yourself in a situation where your Facebook ads account has been unexpectedly disabled, don't worry, today's guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get it back up and running. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. This is the central hub where you can manage all of your advertising campaigns. Simply type Facebook Ads Manager into Google and it should be the very first result. Once you're there, click on Go to Ads Manager. When you click this, you'll be prompted to log in, enter your email and password to access your account, and then click on Login. It's essential to make sure that you use the email associated with your ads account to avoid any confusion. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your campaigns dashboard. Here, you can see all the campaigns you are currently running, but more importantly, you'll be able to identify any issues. If your account is restricted or deactivated, a notification is likely to appear on your dashboard. This alert is your key to understanding what might have gone wrong, so keep your eyes peeled for a pop-up notification. Once you see that alert, click on See Details. This action will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the status of your account and highlight any specific issues that have led to restrictions or deactivation. To proceed with reactivating your account, look for the help icon on the page. Clicking this will direct you to Facebook's support section where you can delve into the intricacies of your account's status. It's important to familiarize yourself with the reasons for the deactivation before moving on, as this knowledge can be helpful when justifying your case. Next, you'll want to request a review to reactivate your account. To do this, simply click on Request Review. This step is crucial because it's your opportunity to formally contest the deactivation. Follow the prompts carefully as you submit your appeal. This process may include explaining your situation, acknowledging any violations, and providing assurances that such issues will not occur again. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully submitted a request to have your Facebook ads account reactivated. While it's not always guaranteed to be an instant fix, understanding this process and approaching it methodically can greatly increase your chances of regaining access. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any updates or responses from Facebook's support team regarding your appeal. Thanks for tuning in and good luck on getting your Facebook ads account back to optimal performance.